Hey guys, my name is Reed Frick. I'm a Dometic product manager here today to talk to you about the Dometic GO camp table. So we have solid bamboo tabletop. It measures 39.5 by 25.5. We've got aluminum adjustable legs. It gives you 3 heights. The height you see here is dining height, seats 4 adults comfortably. There's a middle height for a kid's dining table, and then the lowest height is used as a coffee table. You can pair it with 2 benches, which gives you a portable picnic table. And when it folds up, it's roughly the same footprint as the hard storage, so it makes it really easy to pack in the back of your car. The Dometic GO table will be the center of your camp all season long.